All right, hello everyone. I want to take a moment just to show y'all this Lite-Brite. Really nice condition. When I took it out of the box, it already had like this paper, girl and boy. Looked like somebody had partially finished this design. The bulb is good, as you can see. I'm not going to guarantee the bulb makes it to the destination in working condition, just because I can't. It probably will, but it may not. You may have to replace it by the time it gets there. As of right now, it is working, and it looks really cool. It's in fantastic condition, this frame of the Lite-Brite. The box is in really nice condition, too, for its age. It's got a date of 1981 on the box. I've seen a lot of these Lite-Brite boxes, and this is the best one I've seen. It comes with the instructions right here. It also comes with some kind of warranty paperwork. It's not under warranty, though, of course. It comes with refills. Some of them have been done to some extent. I can see a few little spots there. This one's done all the way. But then some of them, fruit bowl. This one hasn't been done at all. Butterflies just has a few. So there are quite a few of these. Chicken, completely done. Choo-choo train, completely done. But you could still use them. You just got to figure out the colors. Steamboat, partially done. Lemonade sign. Lemonade, 10 cents. It's not being used at all. Snowman. Sailboat, partially done. Clown, partially done. This is almost, this unit is almost 40 years old, right at about, what, 38 years old? Somewhere in there. Looks like a lighthouse, mostly done. And then finally, ducks, completely done. Those will come in this folder. It'll also come with the pegs that are in the Lite-Brite now. And this vintage, this is fitting. This is probably some 1981 circa Tupperware that'll come with it too, that is full of pegs. So I don't know how many pegs that is, but it's a lot of pegs. It's probably either all the ones that came with it or almost all the ones that came with it. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. The only thing I would say, I don't know if these originally came with screws or not. There's holes. There's holes on each side where these clips attach to the frame right there. I don't have any screws for it. I think maybe they used to come with thumb screws or something like that. I don't know, but it sits in there just fine. It's not necessary, but it doesn't have them if it did come with them. So good working condition. Really nice Lite-Brite.